I should have started this from the beginning, but what I'm going to do is record from the end of removing the tire and putting it back on to the beginning, and hopefully that'll be a help. First step was we cleaned out the splines right down in the hub, and we're going to clean out the splines over on the wheel. And there's the splines on the wheel that we cleaned, and we're going to put some Moly 77 grease on it. This is the paste that was used. It's called M77 assembly paste from Honda, and it's a suitable replacement for the M60 grease that Honda has. So we're going to go with that. And for this, we just needed some axle grease. I just used some marine grease for the axle. You're just trying to make it so it don't rust up and seize inside. Now for this step, we've got the jack up pretty far because we had to clear the fender right there. So we're going to put the wheel under here, and then we're going to start lowering the jack until we get the axle to line up. Now I'm going to try to show the best I can how we line the axle up. I lowered the jack down until the exhaust dropped below. So now we're just going to tap that in and put the nuts in. There's a collar right there, and once that's in, we'll tighten it down to the axle specification from the manual. I'll have to tell you what that is later. The next thing is to get your brake assembly back together, and you want this bottom rod to come in. I'll see if I can zoom in for you while we do that right there. Okay. You get that tight, and then you put a cotter pin in it. Just like that. There, that should show you. I'll back out slow. You can see that that was right under the exhaust. Next we're going to do the rod. Okay, now we have to reassemble the brake assembly, and there's a little barrel that has to go through there. Put it up there.
Line the hole up. Here it is.
And then this nut goes on the end, and we start tightening that up to get our adjustment. Take your hands away. Okay, that's what it looks like, and we'll tighten that way up until we get a decent feel on our pedal.